We are here with Jessica. She has matted hair, and these only positive words, and you know that helps us keep going. It helps her stay positive, and we're gonna do this. You guys have seen enough of our videos, right? So if you guys want to come up close, let me show you this mat. It is pretty much her full head except for the front pieces, and we have a team of 4 people. We are going to demat her hair, and you guys know by the end of this, her hair is going to be long, full, and it's going to be back, baby. So this is Jessica. Jessica, you want to just wave and say hi?
Hey, everyone.
Aww.
I'm excited. I can't wait to have my hair back.
Yes. Oh, you're so freaking sweet. Okay, girl. You ready for this?
I'm so ready.
Okay, beautiful. You guys join us and hit that like, share this, and make sure you follow me. Bye.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you.
Okay, so we're about to put some products on. And I don't want to put it everywhere like I said because we are only working in sections. And we'll put you under the heat lamp for about 15 minutes. Most likely we'll probably start on the ends to kind of break it up a little bit and kind of spread it out. So it'll probably look like crazy before it looks like better. But it's going to definitely expand more. And we don't like to drench it with product either. So I'm going to go with my Sacred Detangling spray. Not too much of that.
Shout out to Sacred.
Sacred, yes. We love you.
We still love you.
Not of these though. Alright. So I'm going to pop that under the hood.
Under the hood? You're crazy.
And let you bake for about 15 minutes.
Alright.
And let us know if these get hot or anything. They do warm up like a stove on, so you don't want to lean into them or touch them. But if it gets too hot, you can let one of us know or just pull it back if you need to, okay?
Sounds good. Thank you. Perfect. That was so good, Drika.
It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down.
Can you give us a little story?
Well, I've already been here since 8 a.m. in the trenches.
Yeah.
Now I'm on a mission to get this mat out. And I'm not going to be here till 8 p.m.
What's your prediction?
What time is it now?
10:30? No, 11?
10:57. Let's say we'll be done at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
She can give a little interview. She is.
Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not